Hello everyone, NMB Box Breaks doing a box break on 2015 Inscriptions. Show you the time and date. It is 8:30. Sorry, trying to get that to come in a little better. Why am I not? There is Saturday, February 11th, 8:31. Sorry, I don't know why it's... There we go. Couldn't get it to quite come in. There you go. So there's a time here, all 32 spots. Thanks guys for getting in. Appreciate it, and here we go. We're going to randomize this list. For anyone new, we randomized this list and the team list 3 times. So here we go. There's 1. There's 2. And there's 3. So you got Caden 09 at the first spot, down to Cody Duet 32. And see, it's been randomized 3 times. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and copy and paste. And see Caden at 1, down to Cody Duet at 32. Alright, so now we're going to, there's all the teams, Arizona down to Washington. And that's in alphabetical order. I do have the St. Louis Rams are now the LA Rams. Where is it? There it is. So we're going to go ahead and randomize this list 3 times. 1, 2, and third and final. So you got the Arizona Cardinals stay at number 1, down to the Minnesota Vikings 32, and it's been randomized 3 times. We'll copy and paste. And then you got Arizona down to Minnesota. And you'll see, and I'm sorry, then we'll go show everyone their teams really slow. All right. Now we'll open the box. Alright, let's see what we get here. There's 4 autograph cards in this box. There's a seal on it. There we go. And there's our 1 pack. I've been getting pretty good, lucky with some of these football boxes we've been doing lately, so hopefully that continues. We've had some Winston's, Mariota autographs, so let's hopefully we keep this going. The last one we had a nice Odell Beckham Jr. autograph card. Alright, so the first one is Byron Jones for UConn. So now these guys, they are going to have the college uniforms of that. So let me just Google him up and see what team he's on. He is for the Dallas Cowboys. So Byron Jones. Just writing this down, guys. Is Dallas. Alright. I just want to make sure this is the right guy. Not that it's probably many, but just want to make sure. Yep, a college, Connecticut. Drafted first round, 27th pick. Okay. So first hit, Byron Jones. Nice autograph. Got his number on there. There's the back side of that card. Nice looking card. Alright, second hit is Philip Dorsett. Nice autograph saying Go Canes. Philip Dorsett, wide receiver for the Indianapolis Colts. So Dorsett goes to Indy, goes to the Colts, University of Miami, that's him. Yep. All right. No serial number on these. I'm not sure. Sure, some of them have serial numbers. I'm guessing. I don't know. But they're. I like the autograph. Nice Go Canes on it. All right, third one. Levi Norwood from Baylor. Saying Go Bears. Levi Norwood. Let's see. It looks like. Looks like he is a free agent. I'm looking to see if he was on any team. If he was on any team, he'll go to that team. If not, we will just randomize it at the end, and we'll do that. Just trying to see if there's anything I can find that he was with any NFL team. I don't see anything. Sorry guys, bear with me here. I just want to find if it has a team on there, I would like it to go to that team. It's a one negative when they have the college jerseys to sit there and have. It's weird. It shows that he has a salary of $435,000, but with who? Oh, here we go. Steelers signed Levi Norwood to futures contract. Continue to have players to fill their 98-man roster. Hold on, I'm waiting for the article. Come up. Yeah, player for the 9-man player future contract to the land. Alright, so that's what I was looking for, to see if he had any tie with the team. So the Steelers did sign him. So even if he's not on that team now, they were the last team to have signed him. So he is going to the wait, here's another one. May 3rd, 2015. Looks like he was with the Chicago Bears, but that was 15. This was January 22, 16. The Steelers add star kick returner Levi Norwood. So it's going to go to the Steelers. So Levi Norwood's going to the Pittsburgh Steelers. They were the last team. Sorry guys, that took so long. I just wanted to make sure I checked it out. All right, here's Nick, Montana. You see it's got a red border. That's probably a little, let's see if it's got a serial number on the back. Yep, that's what it does. There's 74 out of 149. Nick, Montana. I think I had he was in one other box we did, if I remember right. He's currently a free agent. I played college for Tulane. Let's see, hopefully he was with some sort of team. He's obviously the son of Joe Montana. Let's see, I don't see anything. Nothing on the Wikipedia showing that he was at any team. Let's see. Sorry guys, again, I don't like, that's one negative on these when they have these guys that are free agents. Takes a little bit longer to Here's latest on undrafted free agent. Yeah. That's just a scouting report saying they did not get drafted. Yeah, everything's about him being at Tulane, guys, so I do not see any reference to him being on any team at all. All right, guys. So that one will random at the end. We'll do that. Let's get this last card out of the way here. Lael Collins, LSU. It's an interesting spelling of the first name. All right, he's the Dallas Cowboys, so another hit for the Cowboys. Goes to Dallas. Those are so much easier when they're already on a team. I just want to show the backside, no serial number on that. So okay, let me pull up my camera here, guys, and we'll go back to the where I randomized. There's where we left off. All right, so how we do it is we randomize this list 3 more times, and whoever's at the first spot is going to get it. So you see it's been randomized 3 times. We're going to continue it and do it 3 more times. So there's the first, Caden, you're there on that one. Number 5, Caden, you're again at there. And last and final time, number 6. And Hacken Miller, Mom, 1028, you're the number 1 spot. You'll see it's been randomized now 6 times. You're going to get the Nick Montana card. So thanks, guys, for everyone getting in the break. I appreciate it. You'll see I have a lot of football up. I got the Crown football up. Totally certified football. I guess just those 2. If you're into hockey, I got a bunch of hockey up. I got 1 basketball going. This 13-14 artifacts will probably be the next break going. I think it's got about 7 or 8 days left on the listing. Just so you know, guys, if there's a lot of spots on my listings, it doesn't matter. When the listing ends on eBay, I'm going to do the break no matter what. I'll just fill in the rest of the spots myself. So just to let you know, if you see a bunch of spots on there and you want to get in it, don't worry about me canceling it or postponing it. I'll do it right when the listing ends. So thanks, guys, for buying in. If you want to buy my website, it is cheaper. You can go to nnbboxbreaks.com. You can follow me on Twitter. And again, guys, thanks for getting in the break. And just keep looking for new stuff always. Thanks, guys.